Hey, what's up? Ayan, nagbabalik na po tayo. Magbibigay tayo ng libreng gabay simula June 16 hanggang 22. Ito po ay eat spread card. This is only a general reading. If it's not resonate with you, just ignore it. Kapag nag-resonate naman, hit me like, share, and follow. And leave a comment sa ating comment section. Okay, simulan naman natin or bigyan natin ng gabay ang zodiac sign na Aries. Ayan. Aries. This is a nice of card starting starting yourself na maniwala, manalig, at nakaya mo yung mga obstacles or issue ng new relationship nyo. Parang I think na nagkakaroon kayong conflict sa love this week, no? And obstacle na ano is from the past, something coming back from the past or matagal nyo nang pinagtatalunan ng jowa mo or something na ganun yung mangyayari, no? Then I think Nine of Swords is present here, no? Parang hindi na nasa-satisfied yung partner mo sa nangyayari sa relationship niyo, no? Parang you are looking for some new ideas, new adventure for building a family. Siguro ito single person to, no? Or something in in a relationship or family na gustong magka-baby or asking for one more baby. Parang gano'n. Or something na in walang parang ganong life, no? Parang nagpapabebe pa dahil hindi na naglalabing-labing. Oo. So, parang may magyayaya at may gaganon, no? Anyway, so the fear is you're always dealing na uulitin na naman yung betrayal na ginawa sa'yo. Parang gano'n, no? Parang ayaw mong magpatawad kasi uulitin niya na naman, no? Baka yun yung way na magkaayos kayo is check na people change, no? People are changing, people are learning, no? Baka sa puntong ito, ikaw yung hindi nagle-learn sa past. Parang traumatized ka ba sa past? Sayang naman yung opportunity na mas better kung dalawa kayong ang tawag doon, nagwo-walk together or holding walk together. So, this is your general reading, Aries. Ayan. If resonates sa'yo, type yes and claim the abundance. Thank you.